Welcome to Hasta Creations. This video is about making a sequins and seed bead flower onto a t-shirt, and for this we need so these are sequins 6 mm. These are seed beads which are 2 mm. This is called needle threader, which helps in putting the thread onto the needle. This is the thread I'm using, DMC thread. This is like this, and also a needle, thin needle, DMC thread, needle and scissors. This is the t-shirt on which I'm going to show the flower. Okay, and so I'll show you how to put the thread onto the needle. So I take this one, there's a pointy end, and I put the needle eye into that, and then take the thread, put like this, and pull the needle. And take this out. So I have picked a t-shirt with the v-neck. So this is the thread I'm using with the needle. So there is a line where two pieces are stitched to make it look like V shape. So I go here, pull it, leave some thread at the end, then go through that again, portion once more. So that has made a knot, and the extra thread I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to pick a sequin and a seed bead. So I had to leave the seed bead and go through the hole of the sequins with the needle. And come out, leaving some space at the front. I'll go around once. Leave some space and then take another one and another seed bead. Make it a straight line and do the same thing. Repeat the procedure. So you have to pull a little bit to make it tight. So go around. Then go under again. Leave some space. Then come out. Take one more. And a seed bead. Pull a little bit. Go around. only one. Go under again. Now, so I pick a spot. I'll be picking a spot between these two, like in the middle, and keep some distance, like this. Okay, so I'm taking one more sequence, seed bead, repeat the stitching. So go around, tighten it, then pick another spot. So I have picked the spot between these two now. And take one more, one seed bead. It's very small, so it will be hard sometimes to put. Okay. Repeat the procedure. So go around. Now I'll go under and come out of it here. So this time I have picked a spot between these two on this side. So I had to put two more, 1 and 2, to make it look like a flower. So we had to pull a little bit to make it tighter. Go around, tighten. You had to pick a spot between these two along with this in a line. So I need one more. So repeat the procedure. So go around. Only this one. Now I have to end the thread. Just go under it, make a loop, go through the loop. This seems to be loose, so I'm going to do that again. Go through that again, like that. do that once more. So now it is tight. So I have to put the knot again. So knot will be under, and you can see I have not gone through. The stitches from the back are not visible, so only one layer we have to use to stitch. So I'm going to cut off the thread. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.